you can create a fall fueling station, and one of those is regarding fall cleanup. We've talked a little bit about the types of plants you're going to need and what you need to consider in terms of putting in your fall fueling station, but one of the things that you definitely will need is mulch. And one of the easiest ways to get mulch is from the leaves that you're going to be collecting this fall from your trees. Now, what I've created are 2 different bins from pallets that were free from my local rug store. You probably can get these pallets too for free from your local big box stores. And what you'll do is take a few hinges, take a couple of 4x4s and create a couple boxes for yourself. And what I do is I have one that is with new material and one that is what we call cooking. So those were the last year's fall leaves. I just covered that with some cardboard. It's been rained on, it pretty much sits here in almost full shade. But what it has done is created what we call black gold, which is what can go on top of your planting area that you're getting ready to put in. So I use this technique in my vegetable garden this spring. It's called a no-dig technique, where I put cardboard straight on the clay and then put this on top. You're going to need about 6 inches of this if you're putting in new plants. And then this can serve as the mulch as well for your flower bed. It's got tons of nutrients, it's beautiful and crumbly, and it is perfect for your fall beds that you're putting in for your Monarch Way Station. So if you're looking to create a way station, I highly recommend creating a fall cleanup station so that you have a place to put all of your fall leaves if you don't have area to put under your trees or under your shrubs or in a wooded area like mine.